Hi, I'm Christy Zlatkus, family law attorney here in Rockville, Maryland. And these are my fur babies. This one is Lily, and this one is Hannah. If you have furry members of your family that are really important to you, this video is for you. We're going to talk all about pet custody. First, let's talk about the fact that there is no such thing as pet custody in the state of Maryland. I'm sorry, you can't go to court and ask for custody of Fido. If that's something that you want, it's something that you're going to have to work out with your spouse yourself. In the state of Maryland, pets are property. This means that property is given to one party or the other, or property is sometimes sold and the proceeds are split. When it comes to your pets, it's always better to make a decision together. In the state of Maryland, there are some limited options for pet custody in domestic violence cases. Unfortunately, pets can be used as weapons in domestic violence cases against victims. It's an unfortunate fact, but here we are. The state of Maryland recognized this issue and allowed for temporary custody of pets to be included in domestic violence protective orders. If you're seeking a protective order against your abuser, consider asking for custody of your pet. As a dog mama, I hated that last section. Hated it. The idea that anybody would use a pet like that, it's undescribable. But also as a dog mama, there are things that you can do if you're going through the regular garden variety divorce. Number one, as always, before you get that divorce or before you get that marriage license, consider a prenuptial agreement. Prenuptial agreements can identify who is going to get a pet after a divorce. The other option is consider a joint pet custody type situation. Now, these are fraught with issues of their own. You really have to consider everything from who's going to pay for the pet food, who's going to take the pet to the vet and pay for all the medical care, who is going to be responsible for a dog walker, what happens if you're on vacation, where are you going to exchange the pet, are you going to share leashes, are you not? What if the pet comes into contact with other people? What if the pet destroys something? Who pays for it? The person who is watching the pet, or both of you are going to split it? So many things to consider. Sharing pet custody, it's hard, but it is an option out there for those of you that want to agree on it. I know trying to figure out what to do with your family members, especially the little ones that rely on you in so many different ways, is hard. If you have furry members of your family and you're going through a divorce or separation, come talk to us. We'll help you work it out and help you make sure that they stay healthy, happy, and safe.